Okay, 5th of November, Bonfire Night 2012. This is what we have, it's not much. TNT Pumpkin Fountain. Has a spooky ending apparently, so see what that does. This is going to be our final. Standard fireworks magnitude. 150 shot barrage, so see what that does. Probably not much, never mind. Five of these shoot TNT shooting stars rockets. Not focusing, sorry about that. But yeah, 5 of those, 5 different colours and effects. And standard fireworks, funny enough, same name, shooting star. And again, there's 6 of these instead of 5 of the other ones, so crackles and stars and stuff, so see what they do. And of course we got sparklers, which my mum likes, so yeah, that's the lot. So let's see what they do. So you lit them all then? Right, can't see where the tip is. Ow. That was my finger. Oop. It's quicker to do it like this. Whee. Whee. Ooh, hello. Whee. Ooh, hello. It lights up. Oh. Makes me wonder, is it going to do something? Not too bad. Oh. Oh. That's it. Hey. Great fun. And that's it.